What's necessary on our part?
Search the scriptures, for in them ye think ye have eternal life, and they are they which testify of me. Thy word have I hid in mine heart, that I might not sin against thee. I will delight myself in thy statutes. I will not forget thy word.
God wants you to search the scriptures. Read his love letter and find out more about his character. He wants you to get to know him. Not only does he want you to get to know him, but he wants to warn you and teach you how to avoid things that are bad for you. If you remember his words and follow his directions, you'll experience a joy that nothing in this world can take away. Make a firm decision that you'll listen and follow what God says to you. Remember what David said, I will delight myself in your statutes. I will not forget your word.